Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can customize your Cartel website, so let's get right into it. Now, the customization for Cartel, other than sites like Shopify or Squarespace or other sort of site builders, is a bit limited. However, you do have options which you can use to change the look of your site, so let's get right into it. Now, to start editing your site or what it looks like, you need to go into your account tab in the top right, and then once you're there, you need to scroll down, go into shop design, and then go to shop designer. Once you're here, you'll be able to change the look and feel of your site. You can change the style, you can change the fonts, you can change the color palette, the header image, repeating background images, slideshows, and you have other option settings. Now, what you need to do to actually change the look of your website is, of course, choose whichever options you would like. For example, the color palette. For example, let me change the color to some sort of blue shade. And now that I changed it, as you can see, it reloads the page every time. And now my background is sort of a teal color. You can also add new pages, and you can change templates if you want to. There is a wide variety of templates available, and these are the only ones that I have at the current moment. However, I think you can get more templates if you actually subscribe and have a paid for plan for Cartel. However, alternatively, if you want to change the look and feel of your site, you can code your own custom code here in the editor. However, you do need to have a subscription as well, but that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.